my loves. Alright, today we're going to do a little eyelash 101. So if you want to see how I put my eyelashes on, just keep watching. Let's talk eyelashes. Can y'all see me? I hope you can. I need a viewfinder. One day. Okay. Well, in order to do lashes, we need a little lash glue. So, uno momento. Okay. The thing with lashes, there's a couple of tricks. So, I'm using the Ardell Foamique 812 today. I have no idea where this camera is, or even if it's recording me. I don't know. So don't rip them off. Try to loosen them up by just kind of pulling down. And these don't want to pull down. There we go. So the first thing is, these are going to be too big unless you've got big eyeballs or big lids. So before you do anything, hold on. These have, sometimes they have the glue still on them, so you can very gently take your what is this? Tweezers? So you want to lay them on your eye to kind of figure out what is comfortable for you. Everyone is different. I know by heart how much I need to trim off for my comfort level, so we will trim. And then a new pair of lashes, you want to do this. You want to kind of move them around so that they will curve better to your eyeball. Now, I like this tool to start out. So I'll hold it like this. Lord, I hope y'all can see this. And I just paint the lash glue on. When you paint the lash glue on, you want to pay close attention to the ends. And maybe put just an extra dot there, because your corners or your ends, that tends to be where they will loosen and come off first. Now, we got to let that get tacky. Usually, while I'm waiting on this to get tacky, I'll do my lip liner. And then when my lip liner is done, pop that lash on. Put glue on the second lash, put my lipstick on. So I don't have an exact number of seconds for you to wait, but 30, 45, a minute. You just got to make sure it gets tacky. If you go to put it on before it's tacky, it's going to move. It's not going to stick. It's going to be a total epic fail. So I think I've talked long enough. So the reason I like this is just easier for me. And lay it down close to the, then as close to your lash line as you can get. Then I'll go back in with my tweezers. Make sure I ain't got any glue on my tweezers. And press it in or adjust it if I need to. But you want to make sure it's good and pressed in. Particularly, see, like that corner right there, it's not, it wasn't pressed in good. So if it's not pressed in good, then you know in a little bit, then it's going to start so just make sure you're good and pressed, and then move on to the next one. Now, as I get ready to put this lash on, I see that the band, I don't know if you can see that, but see how it's a little longer than the lash. So you got a little extra strip. I'm going to cut that off. Alright, so repeat the next step. Alright, while that lash is drying, I'm going to go ahead and put mascara on this lash. Now, some people will put mascara on before they do their lashes. Some like to do it after. I personally like to do it after, because I think when you do it after, it blends your real lashes with your fake lashes. But the downside to that is you gotta clean your lashes a lot more often. And I'll do a video on cleaning your lashes one day. It is so simple. Time consuming, but simple. Now let's make sure this one is dry. See, I made a mistake on this one. Yes, it even happens with the pros. I did not, because I'm not doing my normal, routine. I didn't let it get tacky enough. So that corner now is not going to stick. But once it dries, I kind of go in with a liquid eyeliner and just kind of go over it to make it look a little more seamless, so that you can't actually see the strip. Okay, so that is how I do my eyelashes. A couple of things. Play around with it. In all honesty, doing eyelashes when Sandy, I'm shouting you out, asked me to do the eyelash tutorial, I was like, I don't think I can teach it, because it's such a personal thing. Everyone likes different tools. Everyone applies a different way. I had a whole lot of trial and error, but I find that that is the best way for me. So let me know if it works for you. If you have trouble with it, say, hey, I tried it this way, it didn't work, Autumn. Any other suggestions? Because there are other ways I've done it. That is just my easiest way. But anyway, until next time, my loves.